Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making an Eid special Lahori Charga. The ingredients you will need are 2 whole chicken, 2 tablespoons of green chili and 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. The spices you will need are 3 tablespoons tikka masala, half a teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of zeera powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of crushed coriander, 1.5 tablespoons of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of allspice powder, 1 tablespoon red chili flakes, and 4 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 4 tablespoons vinegar, 4 tablespoons ketchup, half a cup of plain yogurt, 3 tablespoon gram flour, 1.5 tablespoon corn flour, half a teaspoon yellow food coloring, 4 to 5 tablespoons of lemon juice, or you can use fresh lemon. Now we're going to start combining all of our ingredients. In a big pan, I'm adding all of the ingredients and we're going to add our chicken to it. Mix everything well for an even coating. Now we're going to generously coat the chicken with all of our mixture, and we're going to allow this to marinate for 4 to 6 hours in the refrigerator. After our chicken has been marinating for 4 to 6 hours in the refrigerator, we're going to remove it and add aluminum foil to the top. This is going to go in our preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour. If you do not have an oven, you can also cook the chicken on the stove on low heat. After about 45 minutes, I'm going to brush a little bit of butter onto the chicken and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 more minutes. After about an hour, your chicken is cooked and ready to serve. I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy this recipe. Do try it at home and let me know how it was in the comments below. Also, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and Eid Mubarak!